Welcome to this guided meditation. Breathe away stress. Today we'll explore the transformative power of your breath, a natural and accessible tool to help you let go of stress and embrace relaxation. As we move through this practice, let's take a moment to settle in. Find a comfortable position, and as you close your eyes, gently bring your focus to your breathing. Together, we'll learn techniques to calm your mind, relax your body, and center your soul. Let's start by understanding breath work. Breath work refers to intentional breathing practices designed to bring awareness to your breath. When we're stressed, our breathing becomes shallow, signaling to the body that we're in danger. But when we slow and deepen our breath, we activate the parasympathetic nervous system, the rest and digest mode that helps us relax. Science tells us that breathing deeply and intentionally lowers heart rate, reduces cortisol levels, and improves overall well-being. There are many types of breathwork techniques, like box breathing, alternate nostril breathing, and 4-7-8 breathing, each designed to calm the mind and body. Today we'll focus on a simple, effective practice. Before we begin the exercise, let's bring awareness to how stress manifests in the body. Stress can show up as physical symptoms, headaches, fatigue, tension in your neck or shoulders, or an upset stomach. Emotional symptoms, anxiety, irritability, overwhelm, or difficulty focusing. These symptoms are our body's way of asking for help. By practicing breath work, you can release this tension and bring your body back into balance. Picture your stress as a tight knot. Each breath you take gently untangles the knot. Now, let's dive into a powerful breathwork technique called 4-7-8 breathing. This exercise is simple, calming, and effective. It's a great tool to use whenever you're feeling overwhelmed. Instructions. Step 1. Inhale through your nose for a count of 4. Step 2. Hold your breath for a count of 7. Exhale slowly and completely through your mouth for a count of 8. Let's try this together. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Feel how your body softens with each exhale. This technique slows your heart rate and clears your mind, creating a sense of calm. Incorporating breathwork into your daily life can transform how you handle stress. Here are some simple ways to weave these practices into your routine. Use 4-7-8 breathing to calm your mind before bed. Practice alternate nostril breathing during a stressful commute. Try box breathing before an important meeting to regain focus. Breath work doesn't have to take a lot of time. Even a minute or two can make a difference. As we close, let's take one more deep breath together, feeling gratitude for this moment of calm. The beauty of breath work lies in its simplicity and power. Whenever life feels overwhelming, remember your breath is always with you, ready to guide you back to balance. If you find this practice helpful, please share your experience in the comments below. Subscribe for more guided meditations and wellness tips, and join our community as we explore ways to live with greater ease and joy. Thank you for joining me today. Take this sense of calm into your day, and remember, you have the power to breathe away stress. Thank you. Have a great day.